Help me find my place. Now, let me be honest with you. Finding your place is not like desperately searching for your charger before you lose your TikTok video or whatever. It's more complex than that. Finding your place in this world is a journey, one that can craft and mold you. Now, I'm still a teen, and I'll be lying if I told you I had it all figured out. Some days make sense, others, maybe weeks, feel like a puzzle, trying to put the pieces together. But those pieces start making sense, and I feel that I'm getting closer to seeing the bigger picture of what I actually want to do. Let's dissect these puzzle pieces, as they can provide a good insight on how these puzzle pieces can support me on my journey to finding my place. Some pieces of my puzzle reflect my family and how they have supported me and nurtured me. In return, the solid foundation has grounded me in the understanding that I can be whatever I want with a bit of hard work and determination. Family members provide good advice. They are your foundation, the starting point, if I must say. They tell you what is right and what is wrong. They teach you proper manners and discipline. But beyond advice and discipline, they give you belonging. No matter where you are in the world, you will always have a place with your family. They are there throughout your entire childhood, providing you with unforgettable memories filled with unexplainable nostalgia. And as time goes on, you will one day look back to the times when things were easy, with nothing to worry about. Just how I think back to the time me and my cousin were at my auntie's house. All of my family were having a party when me and my cousin looked at each other and we knew what time it was. It was time to scab some money. I swear me and my cousin's brains peaked once we did this type of stuff because we started to plan out how we were going to ask and what we were going to spend our money on. So we put our plan into action and managed to get $20. The sad thing is, though, I didn't get to spend any of the money. As my cousin claimed, because he was older, the money was his, which was a stupid reason. Anyways, it is what it is. And that idea of childhood fun is something I love to look back on. But as I grow, things start to shift. You start meeting people from outside your home life. That's where you start building real friendships. And that's where the friendship puzzle piece starts to fit in. Friendship is basically making fun of each other until one of you have a bad day, then it's full support mode. You can talk bad about one another, you can argue, you can even be downright mean. But at the end of the day, they will have your back and you will have theirs. It's funny how some friendships start. All it takes is for one person to look in their direction and give them the old nod. And then if they do it back, boom, you just made yourself a new friend. We laugh like nothing matters, but deep down, we know that adulthood is lurking around the corner like a pop quiz we forgot to study for. And that's where I'd speak about the final piece to my puzzle. You spend your entire childhood wanting freedom, but then you get it and realize freedom comes with receipts, responsibilities, and Wi-Fi bills. Oh, tell me, all the parents in the audience, How much time does your kid spend on the internet? All the time, eh? And it can be stressful because parents pay for everything from rent, Wi-Fi, and power that we teens take for granted. Then once we become parents, our parents will see the irony as we go through the same stressful situation of paying for rent, Wi-Fi, and power. That's how I thought my adult life would be, doing the same old adult things, until I thought that not only just limiting myself to the thought that adulthood is paying bills and working till you're old. Instead, I have opened my mind to trying different new experiences, like going to university or trying different career paths like law, trade, or agriculture. I've opened my mind to all these things I can do when I'm an adult. But I cannot fully talk about it. The topic will be spoken once I have lived the life of an adult. I'm still missing a few pieces to my puzzle, but that's okay. Knowing that there are more puzzle pieces out there, I can still live my life and wait excitingly for the next piece to my puzzle. And to everyone who came here to hear me speak today, you can find understanding and finding your place. There are different ways to find understanding and finding your place. My metaphorical puzzle was made to put my idea, to help me find understanding and put my ideas in order. But even though I found understanding, I still feel I am not ready to change. But what I can do is remember, growth is painful, change is painful. But what's even more painful is staying stuck somewhere you do not belong. And that embracing the change and sticking with what I have learned today and what I have learned writing this kōrero, I will no doubt find my place. Thank you.